Life isn't perfect, but our size can be. This is Macy from LCSIGN. Guess what amazing site I will introduce today? Don't miss if you want to make people remember your store. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. It is important to create a memory point first, so check out this infinity neon sign on my hand now. Imagine that hanging such a cool and super eye-catching sign in your store or shop. There are so many layers, so attractive for people pass by. You can customize and text, color, and shape you want. We can make the effect that you truly want. Choose suitable pattern according to your business. I believe more customers will come into your shop. We specialize in production of lightbox, LED sign, and neon sign. Shipping to most countries with no MOQ. We also have a professional team responsible for the work of each section. Not every sign factory will have such complete chains. Don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. See you next time.